What then?
Where do you send Google Form?
Children, I've posted a listening skills assignment in the classroom.
Yesterday.
Go to the classwork section. No, I've posted it just now. Check.
Okay.
Go to the classwork section. And everyone, please switch on your cameras. I cannot see any one of you. Don't sit with your cameras off, please. Did you all find the form? Yes or no? Or you want me to share the screen and show you how to do it? Why isn't anyone answering?
Ma'am,
And we cannot sit when we start the
ma'am,
Yes, the Raj.
that won't
Ma'am,
make question and answers.
No, I've sent. Refresh your stream. Refresh your
ma'am, it is
classroom.
ma'am, it is showing right email.
So you have not logged in through your email address, Dhyan. Please write your email address there. Write your p.dhyan.patel address there.
Ma'am, I got it. The first, we have to write the number. Ma'am, I got it. First, you have sent it a song, no?
Okay.
No mass.
First, wait. First, all of you open that form and sit. Then I'll give you the instructions on how to do it. Everybody be ready with that form first. Open the Google form. You will see a video up there. Have you heard this song before? Switch on your cameras, children. I just can't see you. I'm not going to take the class like this. Sorry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, probably you can't see because they are watching the video. Because Mantra was watching that video which you sent, the YouTube link, Count on Me. So probably because of that, you're not able to see the scene. Otherwise,
So,
the video was on.
okay. So, I mean, if you switch windows, your camera goes off.
Yeah, the
Okay,
video,
fine.
the camera goes off.
Okay, no problem.
So probably everybody is watching that right now.
Yeah. But they're not even answering. So, I'm wondering where have they all gone?
No, Mantra was watching that video. So, yeah.
Okay, children, watch that video and listen to the lyrics carefully. And then there are some sentences below in which the lyrics are missing. So you have to fill the lyrics in that, okay? And don't submit it. We will discuss. Since you're doing it for the first time, we will discuss first and then you submit. Listen to it 2-3 times. Radhya, what happened?
have to listen the song?
Yes, Dhyan, you have to hear out the song and just read the first sentence in the Google form. What does it say? It says, if you ever, Aradhya, I'm talking and I'm talking to Dhyan, wait for your turn. And this instruction is for you also. So listen. So what you have to do is listen to the song and along with listening, first read the sentences. So the first one says, if you ever find yourself stuck in the dash of the sea, I'll sail the world to dash you. Now, two words are missing out of the lines which he's singing. So you have to find those two words and write in the blank which is given below. Okay, so I'm telling you the answer for the first one. First one is, if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. So you will type there MIDDLE. I'll sail the world to find you. So what will you do? You will write middle space find. So I should have two words in the on that blank. Okay, this is the way you have to solve this. This will tell me how well you can, understand the lyrics of the song. Hear it out 2-3 times. You'll be able to figure out. Dhyan, did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
And Aradhya? Aradhya, you had a question?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, Aradhya? Yeah, Bhavya?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Mantra, tell me.
Ma'am, can I submit?
You have done?
Yes.
Wait. We will discuss the answers and then we'll submit, okay? Because you'll be graded for this.
And this is my mom's favorite song.
Oh, mine too. So she helped you out do this?
Yes.
Very bad.
My mom helped me.
You didn't do it yourself?
He knows the song.
Okay. He also knows it.
He knows the song word by word.
Great. So that's why he's finished it so early. Mantra Veta will discuss the answers and then do, because we are doing it for the first time in my class, no? So we'll discuss the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Next time we are not going to discuss. Next time you will get the form, you will fill it up and you'll submit.
Ma'am, there is an email section in it. Do you have to write anything in it?
If it is not showing any email address there, then just fill it up.
It is showing, like, no, we have to put up some email address. So we have to put their school email ID, right?
Yeah, p.mantra.aslo.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, made in water.
Yeah. Of course. Kashvi, who told you to submit the form? Very good. You got a 0, no? Very good. Don't listen to the teacher. Do everything on your own.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Mantra.
I sent you the pink pigeon photo.
Yeah, I saw. It was just beautiful. I think I have never seen such a, pink pigeon. And I'm doubting somebody has colored it on Holi. Yeah, I think somebody has played Holi with the pigeon, white pigeon. I've never seen a pink pigeon. Children, have you finished? Let's discuss the answers. Switch on your cameras now. Yeah, Ane,
I cannot understand the song only.
very bad because you
It is
don't
too
talk in
speed.
English. What it is?
It is too speed.
It Ane, you better start watching English movies and listening to English songs. Okay, in your free time rather than watching cartoons. Then you will understand what he's singing. So after the class gets over, no, the song is on YouTube. Ane? The song is there on YouTube. Keep listening to it till the times you don't understand the lyrics. And tomorrow I want you to sing this song in the class for me. Yeah, man. No. If you keep listening to it, no, 10, 20 times, you'll be able to figure out what he's saying. Okay?
Ma'am, but when we have to submit?
Wait, we'll discuss the answers first. Okay, are you ready? All of you finished? Okay, first one we already, one second, let me open the form. Yeah. So first one, yeah, Radhya.
Ma'am, I'm just confused in that song. I listened 2-3 times, but I don't know what I have to do in that.
Children, you better get used to all this because I'm going to do the listening activities like this only. Next time I'm going to send you a, no, I'm not going to tell. I'm going to do it next time. Please watch English movie channels. Listen to BBC News so that you know.
I English song, but I have not listened to the song.
So better start listening to. Now I want you to prepare this song and we'll listen to it tomorrow in the class. Aradhya, use your headphones and keep listening to it the whole day today. That's your assignment for today. Yeah, okay. Ane and Aradhya. Tomorrow. Okay, Ane? One para, one stanza. Ane one stanza and Aradhya one stanza. And we'll enjoy the song tomorrow. And tell music sir to help you out. Chirag sir.
No,
Yeah, ma'am. Ane? Yeah, ma'am. I'll call your mama. Then you wait. I'll call your mama. Okay, number one, if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, what was it? We already discussed this, right? Middle of the sea. I'll sail the world to find you. So you will have to type 2 words there. Type middle space find. Kashvi has already submitted, so she won't be able to do anything. Yeah, Mantra, you have a question?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can I say the answer of that question?
Second one?
No, first one.
First one we already did. No, middle and find. Tell me the answer for the second one. If you ever find yourself lost in the dash and you can't see, I'll be the dash to guide you. What is it?
Dark and light.
Very good. So the words are dark and light. Please type those words on the line which is given there, which says Kashvi.
Excuse me.
Kashvi, switch on your mic, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you submit the form? Why did
Ma'am,
you
I
submit?
thought that we need to submit, then you will discuss the words.
I said no, you will not submit because you're doing it for the first time. We will first discuss and then submit. Don't listen, no? Anyways, your listening skills are 0. And today you proved it that they are 0.
Well, what is the first?
Yeah, Dhyan. Dhyan, you had a question. Quickly, quickly.
What is the first answer?
First is middle and find. Second is dark, light. D-A-R-K, dark, L-I-G-H-T, light. Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, I wrote middle.
Yeah, Bhavya.
Nothing, ma'am.
Why do you keep switching on your mic?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Kashvi.
I wrote middle and fine, but why it is spelling wrong?
You must have put extra spaces there. Children, if you put extra space after writing middle and find, your answers will go wrong. And also, both the words need to start with a small letter. Please don't use capitals for your Google Forms. This applies to everything, your CTs, your dictations, anything that you're doing in Google Form, please don't type in capitals. Everything has to be small.
Oh, you can present your screen.
My screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
I don't understand.
Okay, wait. Wait, I'll present. Just see where you have to type. Just let me know once you see the screen. Okay. So children, here you have to type the answers. Dhyan had asked me. Do you see this, Dhyan?
Yes.
This is the correct answer. So if you type middle and find on the line, you will get your answer correct. If you don't type middle and find in the way that it is written there, you will get your answers.
And middle and.
Huh?
Yes, right and in.
No. There are 2 words only. These are the answers of those blanks. So there should be no and in between. Don't add extra words to it. Okay. Don't add any extra words. Second one was I told dark and light. See this? So on the line, what you will type DARK, dark, space LIGHT, light. Kashvi is not interested in listening only. Third one, the answer was find space out. Find out. The third one also find out. What does it ask you? Find a word or phrase that means discover in the line given above. So that means find out. The meaning of discover is what? I discovered something means I found out something. So the answer will be find out. Now, here what you have to do is you have to type your answers. Did you check mark the correct box? You have to check mark the correct box. See this, like this. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need. Are you able to see what you have to do? Give me a thumbs up. Who's not understanding? Dhyan, did you understand? Ane?
Ma'am, I don't understand this last one.
Last one is the second one. Because that's what strengths are supposed to do. The second one. See, these are the answers. These are the options that you have. For example, it's A, B, C, D, E, F. So which one will finish the line is the one that you have to select. Okay. Once you've done this, then you can submit. Mantra, you can submit. And all those.
See the first one first.
First is like 1, 2, 3. Once you submit, children, go to the classwork and turn in the assignment also. Turn in the assignment also.
Ma'am, the first one. First answer. Question.
First question you're saying?
Yes.
Here. Middle and find. Next time, I'm not going to show the answers, children. This was just a practice. Next time, you have to do on your own. So please get into the habit of listening to things properly. All those who have finished can leave for the class. Next class. Bye, Radhya. Submit your forms. I've only received 3.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Have you?
Yes.
I've got Kashvi, Mantra, and Dhyan.
Mine is 15 out of 15.
Who is this? Danya.
Ma'am, I can lead the class. Ma'am,
Yeah, Dhyan.
right.
Dhyan. Yeah, Danya, what happened?
My answers are right.
And you got only 5.
But why? Ma'am.
You must have put extra spaces to the answers. That's what's coming wrong. And secondly, Danya, you have a brother?
Yes, ma'am.
So you've used his email address, yeah? See? Atif Godil.
Ma'am, actually what happened in her iPad, some problem came, so she took the iPad of my son and she started doing that.
So it's got submitted by Atif's
In
ID.
Atif's ID, okay. Because her iPad suddenly some problem has come and it crashed, and that's why she took iPad of Atif.
So actually, it shouldn't have allowed her to do it only in the first place. But Danya, just try if you can do it from your ID. Log out from this ID and try it later and submit it to me. No problem. It is in the classroom only. It will remain there.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. Ane, have you finished? Please submit. Kashvi, if you're finished, you can leave. You have already submitted.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, Kashvi. Yeah,
How to
Mantra,
turn in,
you can
ma'am?
leave. Yeah, ma'am. Tell me.
How to turn in, ma'am? It is not showing.
Ma'am, because she's already done it without my instructions and she's got a 0 already.
Okay.
So she's already turned it.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, Mantra, you may leave.
Ma'am, does he have to submit this?
Yes, we have to submit it.
And how would I do that?
You'll go to classroom.
Yeah.
Go to classwork. Under English language, you will see this assignment posted there. Just click on that, you'll get the turn in button there.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye, Mita. Bye. Divit, have you finished? Divit, Tanya, Nishwa, Ane.